Hey guys, Shazada here. Today we'll be unboxing the new Oakley Meta glasses. So these are the HSTN version. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm not gonna even try. So these are the Oakley version of the Ray-Ban Metas. So okay, let's try that. I think you remove this, then you can pull it out. So what is the reason you will be upgrading to this compared to the older Ray-Ban glasses? So first of all, these in specs wise they're almost same. There are three main differences. One is the battery, the second the video resolution in the video mode itself, and the third one is the design, and the fourth it's a case itself. So case, I would say like it's more of a personal preference. I did like the Ray-Ban case a bit more compared to this. Reason, it did look more premium. I like that design compared to this one, but as I said, it's a personal preference. It is a bit more heavier though because it has a bigger battery. While talking of batteries, so the case itself, this will charge you almost 48 hours, which is almost 2 days of usage. While the other one charges close to 34 hours ish. So I would say like 32 hours. Let's go with that. So why would you be going with these ones? One, these have a bit more sporty designish. So if you want like something more subtle, you can go with the Ray-Ban Meta. From the usage itself, because it says it has almost double the battery capacity. From the usage I have seen from the other reviewers, from the YouTube videos, on daily driving, you will be getting close to 65 to 75% increase in the battery capacity, like usage, right? That's how it's not gonna be almost like if you were getting 8 hours, then suddenly you're gonna get 6 hours. Oh, sorry, 16 hours. No, but like there is a bit of increase in battery. While the Ray-Ban you can get close to 300 pounds, these are also close to 400 pounds, but then because if you're getting transition lenses, they are a bit premium. And then with the prescription you can get with both, if I'm not mistaken. But the thing is with these ones, because these are sort of new, so the what's available aftermarket products available will be a bit limited compared to Ray-Ban for now. They might they can get like super popular and a lot of you get like a lot of options, but as of now they are a bit limited. Microphone, both have 5 mic array, both have touch pads, or like on the sensors and the buttons itself on both sides. They are both both are IPX4 in the water resistance. The major difference is the video resolution. The photo resolution both is same. The camera is same. While in the video they are 3K compared to the 1440p by 920. These are 2300 by 3100. So you will see like a notice in the performance compared to you will see notice in the video quality itself. Both have Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3. The glosses itself, they are a bit more heavier though, not that much, but just a bit. Okay, so let's look at the glasses itself. Yeah, I'm just gonna yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the case itself. These are the glasses. So I went with the more normal ones because this does come in different colors and things, and then they have the prism lenses, which are almost like the limited time, the golden ones, but it's not my thing. So I went with the normal black. So there, as you can see from this one, the back gives a bit more sporty look itself, while on Ray-Ban they were a bit more subtle. So the most like on the if you have used Ray-Ban Meta, you won't see like there's a different thing in user how you will like interact with them. Buttons are here almost same, touchpads here, the power button is almost at the same location, almost everything is at the same location, right? It's just the frame design has changed, and they do carry a bit bigger battery. So same thing, you'll need to, if you hold it, you can take the video. If you tap it one time, it will take a photo. What else you get? You do get a cloth. Okay, I would say the Ray-Ban cloth felt a bit more better, and the case felt a bit more premium and better compared to this one. But as I said, this is more of like a personal preference. It has the same LED here, so if you open it, it shows you the status while you're charging. It will go to red if not, yeah, and then that's pretty much it. So as you can see, one is the camera, it's ultra wide camera. The camera itself is almost same. Then at the side you have the LED, which like there are some sort of hacks where you can, okay, as you can see, the lenses, because of the light reflection, they are starting to go a bit more darker, as these are transition lenses. They are not like because there are sort of, there's a version which is electric one which you can turn them straight away, like as you can see in XR glasses. These are natural ones, so the thing is like you don't need battery or something, so you can just use them as you can. And if you have prescription, you can just use them as normal glasses as well. But this, it is more of like your like when you wear it, then you get the feel, and from there you can see if you like this one and the Ray-Ban do look a bit more comfier, but I'm just gonna try to wear them and see. Yeah, they're not a bit heavy, but they, from the back itself, because it is a bit more tighter, so you will feel it. But the thing is, if you are especially getting for like sport usage, when you're running around doing different things, they will stay on, they won't like fall off. So I'd suggest in that instance getting these ones. But so if you like, obviously you have the option to go for Ray-Ban Meta. You can get, if you get on a discount, you can go with a used market. You might get like a good deal. Otherwise, if you want to wait, then it is, the newer models, it's almost £1,000 or $1,000. So that's the reason I went with these ones instead of waiting for the newer Ray-Ban Meta. Yeah, so it is a big jump, but obviously they have like, they're trying to make them almost XR AR glasses as well. They will have like screens. Some say it will have one screen, some say have two screens. We will see when it comes to that. But as of now, when I'm wearing it, I don't feel like that much burden on my nose itself because of the design, but it just like, I do feel like the back is a bit more tighter. It might be just like after wearing for a couple of days I get used to it, but they do feel a bit, as I said, because of the design, you feel they sit more snugly. I'm gonna use them. I'll make like a video and let you guys know. If you have any questions, do ask. For the time being, take care, stay safe, have a good day. Bye bye.